Hi, welcome to SmartMathz. In this video, we are going to discuss division. Division is a process of separating something into parts. For example, there are 6 oranges to be separated among 3 siblings. Each siblings will have to take 2 oranges each. That is division. Now, how to perform division? Let's try this. Divide 18 by 6. Note that 18 is the dividend or numerator and 6 is the divisor or denominator, and the answer will be quotient. This means we will be separating 18 into 6 parts, which is 3 each. This can be done in the form of long division method. The question will be rewritten in this format. The dividend or numerator, which is 18, will be in the inner part. The divisor or denominator, which is 6, will be in the outer part, and the answer, which is known as the quotient, will be on top. How many 6 will make or almost 18? We have 3. 3 times 6 equals 18, so we will subtract it to determine the remainder. Thus, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Note that your multiplication table is an essential factor in division. Do well to memorize it. Now, let's try 17 divided by 5. Rewrite in this format. How many 5 will make or almost 17? We have 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. We can't divide 2 by 5, so it will remain as a remainder. Thus, 17 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 2. Let's try this too. 53 divided by 7. Rewrite in this format. How many 7 will make 53 or almost 53? We have 7. 7 times 7, we have 49. 53 minus 49 equals 4. We can't divide 4 by 7, so it will remain as a remainder. Thus, 53 divided by 7 equals 7 remainder 4. Let's try this too. 84 divided by 3. How many 3 will make 84 or almost 84? Seems quite much. I suggest we do it step by step. How many 3 will make or almost 8? We have 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Bring the 6 below the 8. 8 minus 6, we have 2. Bring the 4 down, we have 24. 3 and 24, we have 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. So, there will be no remainder. Thus, 84 divided by 3 equals 28. Now try this on your own. 19 divided by 5. You can pause the video if you need more time. Cool, right? Great attempt. The answer is 3 remainder 4. Try this too. 29 divided by 5. You can pause the video if you need more time. Cool, right? Great attempt. The answer is 5 remainder 4. Bye. See you next time. SmartMathz. Be the smartest.